Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your insurance revenue with Prudential, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your current revenue and identifying areas for growth. Research Prudential's products and services to determine which align with your client's needs. Develop a clear value proposition for your chosen Prudential offerings. Set specific, measurable goals for scaling your insurance revenue. Create a marketing strategy that highlights Prudential's strengths and benefits. Utilize digital marketing tools to reach a wider audience. Engage with potential clients through social media platforms, sharing insights and resources. Attend networking events and industry conferences to establish connections. Train your sales team on Prudential's products to ensure they can effectively communicate their value. Implement a customer relationship management system to track leads and conversions. Offer personalized solutions based on client assessments. Regularly review your marketing and sales performance to identify successes and areas for improvement. Seek feedback from clients to enhance your service and product offerings. Expand your reach by exploring partnerships with financial advisors or other professionals. Stay informed about industry trends and Prudential's updates to adapt your strategies accordingly. Foster long-term relationships with clients through excellent service and regular follow-ups. Celebrate milestones and successes with your team to maintain motivation and momentum. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.